Okay, Himanshu. So, do you see this? Okay, so you gave it to me like this. I'm assuming it's as big as this when I zoom in. Now, there's a couple things right off the back that are completely wrong with this. One, I requested the sticker or the symbol to be in the middle. About the product image, is it really coming like this? Or what if, the customer has a more of a horizontal image? What's the solution, and what have you included in the design to support all kinds of product images? Right here, there's no need for a heading. There's no need for the title to be smaller like this. What I just want is, I love this bold font. So all I want is that's it, just that, and that would be the title that would automatically be displaying here in this font. That's perfect. As far as the price placement, that's fine. However, where is the option? So, for example, if this is a shirt, where do I choose the options? Or if this is a cell phone cover or a cell phone case, where do I choose which phone I'm getting it for? You know how the variants, that's what it's called in Shopify. I'm sure you're very familiar with that. So where are the variants? Where can I choose the variants? In-cart upsell also supports that, and I think in the back end you've probably set it up like that. However, it's not showing up here. I love, absolutely love the add to cart button and the plus. Uh, just make sure everything looks perfect on all screens. There's a browser I use, Blisk dot, Blisk. You can use that browser to properly see how it'll look in multiple areas, like such as this. Now, as far as the stickers, oh, by the way, great job on the gray part right here. And this is the right size, similar to where I told you to use the boombox demos to derive the inspiration and the buttons. Now, do you see the difference between this box and this box? It's just far more clear. This is why I want this to be yellow, you know, in most cases. But this is an option that, should be, this is an option that people can set up in the back end, the store owner. But I requested you to provide some um, preset settings that make it look similar to this. Um, make this bigger, make this bigger definitely to something like this size. Position the product image. Um, you know what? I love it central. Actually, I love it central. But I know that in-cart upsell puts it on the left side and then gives the variant option on the right side. So, I mean, that is understandable as well, but I love everything central. That way, it's easier for us to make it responsive. Um, Also, you need to look into some of the other stickers as well that I told you about in in the original document that I sent you, three stickers. Trending, okay, the one that you have. I mean, no, hot is the one that you have, right? Yeah. Okay. So let's trending is the one that you have. Hot would be perfect to include as well. And that's somewhere here in these demos. Okay. You need to look into it, please. But the third one that I want is the clock one. Okay. Now the clock icon is really important because it shows the customer, hey, it's a limited item. You know what I'm saying? And that can also create urgency, which store owners love. And is there a way that we can get the picture to come like this? The picture size. Um, yeah, the picture size. I wanted the picture size was most appropriate like this, buddy. Like this size. Now, this size picture is not just appropriate for horizontal, but it is also appropriate for vertical, I would suppose. And this is what I like. So if you can get it to somewhere like this, that would be just remarkable. And make the plus sign, our plus sign, far more like this. This like this, or yeah. And that's about it. I hope this video helps you, understand what is it that we need to fix and reassures you on some of the things that we're doing right, as I fully explained. Thank you, and yeah.